During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Allen, Auglaize, Defiance, Hancock, Harding, Logan, Mercer, Paulding, Putnam, Shelby, Van Wert, and Wyandotte. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station WXJ, 93 Cliversville, Ohio. Now here is during potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and 1. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, more tests will be postponed until the following day. The test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm is partly cloudy and brisk. Lows in the lower 20s. Sunday, partly cloudy and over northeast Ohio, Cleveland fair, and 30s. Once again at 11. Rest of today, sunny. Highs in the upper 40s.
This is a test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm. During periods of potentially severe weather, special receivers are activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests for these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working conditions. The tone alert will be activated for selected watches and warnings affecting the following counties: in Indiana, Porter, LaPorte, St. Joseph, Elkhart, LaGrange, New Bend, Stark, Marshall, Kosciuszko, Noble, DeKalb, Quigley, Allen, Miami, Wabash, Clemson, Wells, Adams, Grant, Blacksburg, Glasgow, and Jay. In Ohio, Williams, Fulton, Defiance, Henry, Paulding, and Van Wert. And in Michigan, Marion, Taft, St. Joseph, Branch, and Gillsdale. For more information, see our webpage at www.weather.gov/IWX and click on NOAA Weather Radio under local information. We now return to normal programming.
Mostly clear. Lows in the lower 20s. Monday, mostly sunny. Highs are